Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn how to create an online test in a platform of Microsoft Teams. There is a good feature over here where we can create an interactive and a good test for our students. For this, there are three stages. One stage is to create the form. Second stage is to do some settings, and the final stage is to share the link in Microsoft Teams. So let me start with the first one. First of all, you have to open a browser and open office.com. It will ask you to log in. You have to log in with your Microsoft Teams ID. After signing in, you will land on this page. You will see many options here. You have to go to Forms. So click on Forms. After clicking, a new page will open up, and from here the two options come up, Forms and Quiz. So we have to click on New Quiz here. You can see my mouse. We have to click over here. It will open with the name Untitled. So we have to give a specific name here. For example, I'm going to prepare a test for class 10 computer. So I'll give the name according to that. Class 10 computer test. Description is optional to all. I'll give read question here. Now click on add new. So these are the type of the question that we can give. Normally we give this choice or text. So let me go with the choice here. Like the question is, QTech stands for first option say second option. Understand? Now we know that the correct answer is here, so mark the correct answer here. So the system will correct on your behalf. So we need to tell to the system which one is the correct answer. So I'll just tick here. If you want to add more than two options, you can just click here and the third option will come, and you can give the third option. If you want to make it more, you can make it more also. So in the correct answer, we will already tell the system that this is the correct answer. So give the points here means the marks. Marks of this question, say 1. Click on this so that the student would not be able to skip this question. It's required yes. Now suppose if think that it is a maths question and we cannot type the equations here. So for that, you can choose the image from here, insert media, and you click on this image and you can save that question in the form of image on the desktop. So you can use that one and the image will load here. So this is the way by which we can give the question of chemistry, physics, any symbols, special symbols that we cannot create here. So we can go this way. So second question, say U tag I tag stands for. So the same way we put the two options here. We know the correct answer is this one, so we'll give here, and point is 1 required. 2 questions. The same way you can add on questions 2, 3, 4, 10, 12, 30, whatever the number you want. One more question I'll add, and this time we'll add the text one. In the text one also you can check, system will check the answer if it is a specific answer here. Which tag is used to make text bold? So, correct answer, you can add the answer here, can be written in this format. The tag. I mean, this type of question can be only when you have the specific answer. Then only we should use, otherwise we should avoid this type of question. We should take only the choice question where the user has to mark. And if you want that, it should not come in ready box button, it should come in a drop down format. So you can do it here also in the drop down format. Just go here, 3 dots, there's a second option, drop down, and now these 2 options will come in the drop down format. You can see the preview of your form here. So I'll show you the second question. We will do that setting, so you can see here. So this way you can see I've written not in the this one, so that's why this is coming wrong here. So we need to write all the possible answers here, or otherwise we should choose this one. This is what the preview is here, and you can see in computer how it looks like, you can see in mobile how it looks like. So go to the back. Now the designing of the question paper is done. This response one has come. This is just I have created for making you clear that how it will look like. So when you click on the response, you will get to see the answers like this. Question 1, 0% of respondents here, 100% here. This is only for our reference to make you clear that how it looks like. It is not the student's response. So just before giving to the students, you just delete all responses. So now the first part is clear, that how we can create the form in Microsoft Forms. Now the second part comes to the settings. So if it is checked, that means the result will automatically come to the students. Only select these options, record name. Now select the start date and the end date here. So let the start date is 24 and the time that we need to start is say in the morning 9:30. End date is same 24 and time is 10. Half an hour is enough. Shuffle questions. So the question will shuffle to the students. And one more thing that I forgot to tell you. Here there is an option here. There are the 3 dots. There is an option come here. Shuffle options. By default, just check over here. Just make sure. Shuffle options, so that the option will shuffle for the patients, for the students also. So the setting part is also clear now. In the setting, the main thing is that we need to set is the start and the end date and the time also. That's the most important part. Customize thank you message. For example, after submitting, if you want to give some message to the students, so you can give here. Like, you will see your result. Now the last part come up for the how to share. So before share, we have to go to the click on this share, copy this. Now this office.com part is over. Now we have to go to Microsoft Teams and we have to open the team where we want to share this one. So go to the teams. This is the screen where my all teams are here. So select the team to which you want to give this test. Click on the team. You'll come on this screen. Here you will see this plus symbol. Click on this plus symbol. There's many options come up. Select the option website from here. Since it's a computer test, so I'll give the tab name computer test. I'll paste the URL here which I copied from that office.com. Shortcut for pasting is Ctrl V. Click on save. So you can see here, if I click on this, it will come like this, that this form is currently not accepting responses because we have set the time at morning 9 AM. So it will open at that time only. So this is the way by which we can create our online test. And as the student will fill the response, to see the response, you have to go back to your office here only. Under the form, where the computer test class tense is there. Here right now it is 0 responses, but as the student will do the test, so you will see the number of responses here in the real time. And here, if the date is, time is over, it will automatically come here that this form is expired. Like I'll show you in one of my, yeah, you can see here, this is expired, this is expired, because the time to fill this form are over. So I think it's clear to you that how we can design a form to create our online test and how to share it with the students and how to see the response. Thank you.